Welcome back, my wonderful viewers. This is 3.5 tutorials. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to multiply fraction. Alright, now we have these numbers have been given to us. The first one is 3 whole number 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 whole number 3 over 4. Like I said, anytime you are dealing with fraction, if you have mixed fraction, you must convert all the mixed fractions in proper fractions. You convert 1 over 2, 3 over 1 over 2, and 2 whole number 3 over 4 to improper fraction. That's the first thing you do. To improper fraction. Alright, so here 3 whole number 1 over 2 will give you 7 over 2, and 2 whole number 3 over 4 will give you 11 all over 4. Therefore, this implies that 3 whole number 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 whole number 3 over 4 is the same thing as 7 over 2 multiplied by 11 over 4. So we are working with these new things now, built in here. So here now, never you look for what? LCM. Do not look for what? LCM. Do not find the LCM of the denominator. Do not find the LCM of the denominator. It's not necessary. Between 2 and 4, do not find it. Because in multiplication, we do not use LCM. We only use LCM in addition and subtraction. In multiplication and division, we don't have any need for LCM. So let me make room here to address you guys appropriately. Now, since we have this is the new stuff we are working with. Let me bring it here, 7 over 2 multiplied by 11 over 4. All you need to do is the one at the top, consider them, and the one below, multiply them. Multiply everything at the top, multiply everything at the bottom. So you cannot say 7 multiplied by 4. No, they are not on the same line. Rather, 7 will multiply 11 because they are of the same height. 2 will multiply 4 because they are of the same height. We then have 7 times 11 is 77 all over. 2 times 4 is 8. So this is absolutely what we have about. Absolutely. And if you convert this guy to this, it's supposed to give you 9 whole number, because 9 times 8 is 72. It's supposed to be 9 whole number 5 all over what? 8. So these two guys are the same. If you leave your answer here, which is improper fraction, it is right. You also leave it in mixed fraction, no issues. Alright, so the one thing to keep in mind is in multiplication, we have no need for LCM. In division, we have no need for LCM. But in subtraction and addition, there is need for LCM. So do not do for LCM when you're dealing with multiplication, because that's the biggest mistake students make. Alright, so now here we go. Let's say if I give you another instance that has to do with this. I say solve this 2 over 3 multiplied by 9 all over 4. This is very simple. You say solution. You can approach this in 2 ways. But let me use the former way that I taught you guys. The first method, multiply everything at the top and multiply everything what's below. Those guys at the top multiply what? Each other. The one below will multiply each other. So we have these two will multiply 9 to give you 18. All over 3 will multiply 4 to give you what? 12. Do not say this times this times this. No, do not do that. Now in 18 all over 12, if you check, this is a weak fraction. The reason why I call it weak fraction is because something can go, we can still reduce this fraction further. If you can recall what I taught you guys in reduction of fraction, which is in my previous video, in case you've not watched that, I have no knowledge of this, please go and watch that video. So in reduction of fraction, we care more to reduce fraction if the fraction is reducible. Now we have this, 2 can go here, 9, 2 can go here, 6, 3 can go here, 3 can go here, 2. Nothing can go again, we have 3 over 2. Since we have 3 over 2, it simply means that 2 over 3 multiplied by 9 over 4 will give us nothing but 3 over 2. So let's hold this answer and use the alternative method to solve this. Under method 2, the method here that I will use, which I call alternative method, or method 2, will be, after writing solution, it will be, let's say, 2 over 3 multiplied by 9 over 4. When you check, this guy, instead of saying this multiplied by this, you ask yourself, can 3 divide 9? 3 can divide 9, 1. 3 can divide itself, 1. 3 can divide 9, which is 3. Can these 2 divide this 4? Yes. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 2. We'll have 3 over 2. See the same answer, 3 over 2. If I give you guys 2 over 3 times 9 over 4, let's say, forgive me, I make it this way, 2 over this, 17. Or let me put 9 here. Do not use this to divide this. When they are of the same level, do not divide them. Say 9 can divide this. No. They can only divide when they are facing, when they are opposite to each other. If they are of the same level, they can never divide. So be cautioned. Alright, so from henceforth, I will give you guys a run assignments to see how many of you that will be able to get it right. And in case you are still finding it difficult to grab this, keep me posted. So here we go. Let's say assignment number 1 is to simplify 1 whole number 1 over 6 multiplied by 2 over 8 to simplify 2 whole number 1 over 11 multiplied by 1 over 9. So absolutely, this is what I have on board, and absolutely there is virtually no big deal to all this. In this regard, I have to say kudos to most of you that attempted the last question, and please do subscribe to my channel so as to encourage me from posting more videos. Thank you very much. This is 3.5 tutorials. God bless you all.